therapist at Home Physical Therapy and Yoga Center in Bakersfield, California. Today we bring you the next edition of our Dissolving Depression video series. I hope you have been able to practice the earlier exercises that were shown in the previous videos, and you have been feeling the rich benefits of performing those techniques. The importance of breathing influencing the body and the mind has already been established in the previous videos. In this series today, we will be covering some very specific breathing exercises that will help in profoundly improving the oxygenation of the body and all the tissues. And in addition to that, it will also help in decreasing the stress and the depressive states that one tends to feel. So these breathing exercises are best performed sitting like the way I am right now on a comfortable surface or on a mat on the floor. If for some reason you're not able to sit cross-legged like what I am doing, you can sit in a comfortable, firm chair with your spine upright throughout, and always making sure that your feet are flat, resting on the floor. So let's begin with the first technique, which we will refer to as the focused inhalation and exhalation. As we had learned earlier, most of us have a breathing capacity that is always untapped, and we tend to breathe 50 to 60% of our natural capacity, which leads to inefficient oxygenation of the blood and consequently the tissues in the body. So with these specific techniques, we will be allowing a better circulation of blood, which has been beautifully oxygenated with the type of breathing that we'll be undertaking. So this exercise involves stretching both the hands up, breathing in, and then you gently but forcefully bring both the hands down without any strain and holding the thumbs lightly covered by the fingers. So do not make a tight fist with the thumb inside, but it's just a light, relaxed hand position like so. So I will demonstrate about 10 rounds, and you will also practice beginning 10 rounds, and then as you start getting more comfortable, you will perform 2 sets of 10 rounds, 3 sets of 10 rounds to your comfortable level, maximum up to 50 rounds. Or you can start with 10 rounds and then 2 sets, and then 15 rounds and then 2 sets, whatever is most comfortable. Maximum you would like to do is 50 rounds. Okay, so let's practice. Also, one more important thing, these exercises should also be performed on an empty stomach, again ideally in the morning. But if for some reason you're not able to perform them in the morning, make sure that you have at least a 3 to 3.5 hour gap after eating a full meal to get the maximum benefit of these techniques. And having performed 10 rounds, relax the hands, resting them on the knees, palms facing the sky. Gently touch the thumb to the index fingertip, soft touch. And just become aware of the breathing, slowly and softly breathing in through the nose, and gently and slowly breathing out through the nose also. So in all these breathing techniques, the important thing to remember is that all inhalation and exhalation only takes place through the nose. The exhalation through the mouth that we perform for the other dynamic exercises does not apply in this series of breathing techniques. So that is the focused inhale and focused exhale technique. The next breathing exercise that we'll be performing is known as the focused exhale technique. Normally when we breathe, we put some effort in breathing the air in and practically have no effort in the exhalation part. However, here we're reversing the entire process by actively exhaling and passively inhaling, making no effort to breathe in, because we're using the movement of the diaphragm to push all the stale and impure air from the lungs and throwing it out with a focused thrusting movement of the diaphragm. The technique goes like this. I will demonstrate first and then you should practice it later. Always remember, do not strain, do not focus too hard, and just be as relaxed as you can be for the exercise to be maximally beneficial for you. So again, you will hold both the hands like this, thumbs softly touching the tips of the index finger, comfortably upright. So this is the technique. Now you might wonder, how am I going to breathe in? Do not worry about breathing in. The body knows how to take care of the breathing in part. The only active effort here is to exhale by pulling the diaphragm up and actively exhaling through the nose. So do your best to practice this technique also. You want to try to practice at least 25 rounds and then take a 1-minute break, and then you can do another 25 rounds and then do the same way, gradually increasing from 25 to 30 to 35 to 50 as your ability allows you to go. Do not strain on any of these techniques. I will demonstrate one more time. It's a very, very beautiful cleansing technique, and it helps to remove all that stale air and energy out of the lungs and really invigorates the whole body. Okay? It also helps in increasing the circulation in the head and the forehead region and makes you feel very calm and relaxed. And holding the hand, touching the thumbs and the index fingertip like this also allows for a better oxygen and energy exchange in the lungs. And having finished, take a nice deep breath in, and then slow, long exhale through the nose. And continue the slow, soft, deep breathing. So you always allow at least about a minute to a minute and a half in between each set of this particular breathing technique. So that is the focused exhale technique. So now what we're going to do is we're going to continue with the third and final technique in this series. This is the alternate nostril focused inhale and exhale breath. So again, you might be wondering, like, what does this guy mean with alternate nostril breathing? It's very, very beautiful. It's very, very easy to do once you get the mechanics of it correctly. So here, what we're going to be doing is we will be using the right hand, and you'll use the right thumb to block the right nostril, and then you will use your ring and pinky finger to block the left nostril, like that. So here you're going to breathe in from the left nostril, nice and focused inhale, and then close the left nostril and then exhale out the right nostril, focused exhalation, and then again inhale from the right nostril, and then again exhale from the left nostril. So this exercise is very, very powerful in involving a beautiful balance in the right and the left side of the body, between the right and the left side of the brain, and also creates a beautiful balance between the parasympathetic and the sympathetic nervous system, which form the autonomic nervous system in our body. So let me show you. I will show you 2 rounds, and then you can practice on your own at your comfortable pace. Begin by closing the right nostril, inhale left nostril, close left, exhale right nostril, inhale right nostril, close right, exhale left nostril. That's 1 round. Continue. Inhale left nostril, exhale right nostril, inhale right nostril, Exhale, left nostril. Like this. And then relax the hands. Soft, long breath into the nose. And soft, long breath out to the nose also. Always remember to keep the armpits open on both sides. And when you're using the right hand, keep the whole armpit open, which allows for a free flow of energy and circulation throughout the whole body. Okay? So let me do it one more round so that you can get an idea. So inhalation from the left, exhalation from the right, inhale from the right, exhale from the left. That constitutes one round. And we're starting at a comfortable pace of doing 5 rounds, but to really get the benefits, you want to do at least 10 rounds, and then take a 1 to 2 minute break, and then do another set of 10 rounds. And then at your comfortable pace every week or 10 days, you can gradually increase from 10 rounds to 15 rounds, up to 25 rounds, 2 sets. All right? So I just did 3 rounds. Do your best to practice these techniques. So all these breathing techniques that we just covered are extremely powerful in, once again I'll repeat, removing all the stale air and energy out of the lungs and the whole body. Our whole body also has an energy system, which is also referred to as the energy aura, about 2 to 3 feet around us. The aura is basically an extension of the physical body in an energetic form. And just like we have veins, we have arteries, we have nerves that connect the brain to the rest of the body, the energy body also has a similar circuit of energy channels moving in different directions, which have a close resemblance to the physical body. So these energy channels also tend to get blocked, and they can lead to physical, mental, and emotional issues and health problems. So by performing these beautiful breathing techniques, we're bringing about a beautiful healing balance at the physical, mental, and emotional levels. Hope you enjoy these breathing techniques. Please share with us your thoughts about all these videos that we have presented to you, and we'll do our best to answer any questions that you may have. Thank you so much for watching these videos and also sharing them with your circle of influence. I would also like to thank all my staff members at Om Physical Therapy and Yoga Center for the tremendous support in helping us bring these videos out to you. Have a totally awesome day. Thank you.